Researchers are setting their sights on a new optical atomic clock. Corning and Meta reach a deal that could be worth up to $6 billion, and 80 European companies are uniting to boost chip production in their region. All your industry headlines are on Photonics Spectra Now. Photonics Spectra Now is brought to you by Edmund Optics. The future depends on optics. Visit edmundoptics.com to learn more. This is Photonics Spectra Now, covering all the latest news and developments across the industry. I'm Joe Kaczynski, Senior Editor with Photonics Spectra. We begin with an up to $6 billion deal between Corning and Meta that aims to accelerate the build of advanced data centers across the U.S. Under a multi-year agreement, Corning will supply Meta with optical fiber, cable, and connectivity solutions. Meta has 26 data centers in the U.S., many of which are still under construction. Corning will expand its manufacturing facilities in North Carolina to meet this demand, including a major investment in its optical cable plant in Hickory, where Meta will serve as its anchor customer. IonQ continues to expand through acquisitions, entering into an agreement to buy SkyWater Technology for $1.8 billion. SkyWater is the largest exclusively US-based pure-play semiconductor foundry. Once completed, IonQ says it will have created a first-of-its-kind, vertically integrated quantum platform company. The transaction is expected to close in the second or third quarter of 2026. Several CEOs are calling on other nations to ensure that Europe maintains its place in the photonic chip market. 80 European photonic chip groups with support from Photon Delta want to see specific revisions made to the EU Chips Act. Citing the threat of competition from China and the US, they're asking that a special program be established with subsidies and initiatives for photonic chip makers. And they're asking for targeted investments for industrialization and upscaling. A pilot project is launching to boost the manufacturing of photonic chips for quantum applications across Europe. Photonics for Quantum is backed by 25 million euros from the EU with a matching donation from 12 nations. By targeting the transition from lab prototypes into industrial production, the consortium plans to make these photonic chips more reliable and scalable. The U.S. Air Force is also investing in quantum, signing a contract with Montana State University that will send the school $31.5 million to advance quantum applications, materials, devices, and systems. MSU's Quantum Collaborative Research and Education Facility, or QCOR, previously received a more than $26 million grant back in 2023. QCOR officials say these funds will help provide researchers with cutting-edge resources and will help their efforts to transform the research landscape in this field. And in R&D news, new optical atomic clocks could change the definition of the base unit second in the International System of Units and lead to more stable measurements. Researchers from Germany's National Metrology Institute have demonstrated that an optical multi-ion clock with rubidium-173 ions could combine the high accuracy of individual ions with the improved stability of several ions. This finding could lead to advancements in quantum computing by offering a never-before-seen look inside the atom. Measuring the lifetime of the clock state for the first time provides valuable information about the structure of the atomic nucleus and enables sensitive tests of nuclear physics. Have a story tip? You can email that directly to me at video@photonics.com. And for more details on these stories, be sure to head to photonics.com. Before you go, be sure to give us a like and click that subscribe button in the corner for all the latest from the Photonics Media YouTube channel, including the All Things Photonics podcast and a look from trade show coverage from Photonics West. I'm Joe Kaczynski, and thanks for watching.